How to transfer Google Play balance to Fampay. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now for this process, what you need to do is just go to your Google Play Store, make sure that you're logged into your account, then tap on your profile at the top right corner, then tap on the settings, the help and feedback option. After that, what you need to do is just tap on the search help button and you need to search for transfer balance. So as you can see, none of these options facilitate transferring Google Play balance to Fampay or any other digital platform. Unfortunately, Google Play presently lacks the functionality to transfer the funds to external services, and this means your balance remains confined within the Play Store ecosystem. While occasional refunds might be possible, generally your balance remains tethered to your Google Play account. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed watching it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today and see you next time.